Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through the My Day widget on your Garmin Instinct watch. Now I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar. It doesn't matter if you're using one of the solar models or non-solar models. The My Day widget is available for all of them. I'm also using the watch as delivered from Garmin. I haven't made any adjustments to any of the hotkeys. So what exactly is the My Day widget? Well, first let's talk about what's on my watch face. If you're using activity tracking, you're going to want to look at certain values. Maybe you're interested in how many steps you get, or intensity minutes, or floors climbed. I'm showing those as data elements on my watch face. I've got my steps on here, I've got my floors climbed for the day, and I've got my calories for the day. And that's fine, but those three things are taking up elements on my watch face that maybe I want to see those, but I don't want to be using them as elements on my watch face. Well, I've got a couple different options. I could go install individual widgets for each of those. So for example, here's my intensity minutes. That's a widget. Here's my steps for the day. That's another widget. Here's my floors climbed. That's another widget. So the good thing about the widget is it'll give you some details. So for example, floors climbed is showing me I've got 1 out of my goal of 10. And the steps is showing me I've got 1,695 out of my goal of 10,000. If you don't care about that stuff, you can install what's called the My Day widget. Let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to press the menu button. I'm going to go down to settings. I'm going to go to widgets. And I'm going to add a widget. And the one that you're looking for is this calendar icon, and it says My Day. What's funny is the first time I came across this widget, I thought it was going to pull in my calendar meetings and stuff like that from Outlook or from Gmail or something like that. It has nothing to do with your external calendars. It's just an activity calendar for that day. So let's go ahead and add it. And then we'll go back to the main watch face and we'll take a look at it. All the My Day widget does is give a high-level summary of your activities for that day. Timed activities, intensity minutes, floors climbed, steps, calories burned, etc. You can see in my case, we're seeing the same information we saw from my watch face. We're just seeing it in one widget versus using data elements or versus using individual widgets. When you're in the widget, if you press the GPS button, you'll see that it highlights and it gives you this down arrow. I can press the down arrow to see if there's anything else to be displayed. In my case, because I haven't done any intensity minutes or trainings or anything like that for the day, there's nothing else to show. That's a quick look at the My Day widget. Once you're done, you can press the back button. The good thing about it is it kind of gives you a summary view of your activities for the day. The negative about it is it doesn't show you everything that you're going to see in the Garmin Connect app. So for example, I can't see my sleep for the day. I can't see my hydration for the day. Things like that that you can control on the app, you can't control on the watch. But it is pretty good if you are like me, where you're kind of interested in your activity tracking for the day, but you don't want to have to go through each individual widget to see it or use a data element on your watch face. I'm going to go ahead and go into the Garmin Connect app and I'll show you the My Day equivalent in the app to what you're seeing on your watch. Okay, so as I mentioned, I'm now on my cell phone. I'm using an Apple iOS device. Should be the same if you're using Android. I'm going to go into the Garmin Connect app. First thing that should happen if you've got it set up that way is your watch should automatically sync. And then you'll notice this main screen here is called your My Day. We're kind of seeing some of the same information we saw on my watch. We're seeing my steps. We're seeing the floors climbed. We're seeing the calories. But the thing that's nice with the app is you can actually control what you're seeing. If I go to the very bottom of the page and click on Edit My Day, I can choose what items I want to display. Do I want to see my sleep? Do I want to see my calories? If there's anything I don't want to have in there, I can remove it and edit it accordingly. That's the nice thing about the app. On the phone, unfortunately, you don't have, on the watch, you don't have any settings that allow you to control what shows on your watch like you do on the Garmin Connect app. Once you've got this saved the way you want, you can save it. And again, you can look at the My Day information on your app. Also, if you click on any of the values, you can see more information. So for example, I can get to my body battery details, I can get to my steps details, all of that kind of stuff you can do from the Garmin Connect app. You really can't do it from your watch unless you go into those specific items on the watch and look at the details behind it. The app's always going to give you more information than the watch. Anyway, that's a quick look at the My Day widget on your Garmin Instinct watch. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. And as always, thanks for watching.